Jatend duond bura mar PLP Martha Karua ojiwo jomamine pacho ka mondo mi olar kombe mopogore opogore mag telo karabedo ni nitie midhiero mag kadhe kinde laro kombego. Kolose kinde romo ma jood bura mamine pacho ka Kewopa romano bagi magawa mabura Nairobi, Karua nyiso jomamine kik nyis jowetegi achaya karabedo ni gipogore paro e weche mag siasa.
Support capable women. We are not saying you be elected mayor because you are a woman. If you're not competent, we have no business electing you. We cannot come from one bad governance to another. Elect capable women. And I'll assure you, if we go on capabilities alone, there will be more women elected than men. That I can assure you from what I have seen aloud. The other thing, you'll be told about money. And women, tunakuja, I don't have money. Who told you men have money? They don't work at Doraru, they are not the producers of money. I've been a party leader for a long time and a parliamentarian. I'll tell you, men cry about money as much as we cry. And money doesn't have to be in your pocket. I've never had sufficient funds of my own to run on. Not even the times I was elected consecutively for 4 terms. Money is mobilized.
Jatend duond bura mar